Hello, good morning, dear students. So still, we are in the same chapter, that is chapter 1. Today, I have brought one question for you. Let's see the question. Mark 2 points P and Q on a page of your exercise book. Draw a ray with Q as its end point and passing through the point P. So students, here according to the questions you are asked to mark 2 points. You have to mark 2 points and you have to name it as P and Q. सो विद्यार्थीहरू हजुरहरूलाई क्वेसनले सबैभन्दा पहिला दुईवटा पोइन्ट देखाउन भनेको छ जसको नाम हजुरहरूले पी र क्यू राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, लेट्स solve this question. We have to mark 2 points. Let me mark one point over here, another point over here. So students, I have marked 2 points, one over here, another over here. According to your questions, you are asked to name those points as P and Q. So now we are going to write their name as P and Q. And one more thing, you can name P either as this point or as this point, as your wish. So विद्यार्थीहरू हजुरहरूले कुनै पनि पोइन्टलाई P अथवा कुनै पनि पोइन्टलाई Q मान्न सक्नुहुन्छ. So students, I am going to write this point as P and this point as Q. So students, we are done with our first step. Firstly, we marked 2 points and then we wrote their name as P and Q. Now let's begin to the next step. So to do next step, you need to read further. So students, draw a ray with Q as its end point. So students, here you are asked to draw a ray using these points. विद्यार्थीहरू हजुरहरूलाई यो दुईवटा पोइन्ट P र Q लाई युज गरेर एउटा रे बनाउनु छ. But remember one thing, with Q as its end point. So students, don't forget that you have to take Q as end point. हजुरहरूले रे त बनाउनु छ तर जसमा Q चाहिँ एन्ड पोइन्ट हुनुपर्ने हुन्छ भने पोइन्ट P मस्ट बी द पासिङ पोइन्ट. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, अब हामीले P र Q लाई युज गरेर यसरी एउटा रे बनाउनु छ जसमा Q एन्ड पोइन्ट हुनु पर्यो र P चाहिँ पासिङ पोइन्ट हुनु पर्यो. यसको अर्थ हो P तर्फ हामीले एरो देखाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. स्टुडेन्ट्स, पासिङ थ्रु, जुन पोइन्टमा पासिङ थ्रु भनेको हुन्छ त्यो पोइन्ट तर्फ हामीले एरो देखाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. सो यसको मतलब हो हामीले पोइन्ट P तर्फ एरो सो गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, लेट्स ड्र अ रे. So students, this is your line segment, not a ray. So according to the question, you have to draw a ray. In a ray, there is one arrowhead. So towards which side, towards which direction we have to show arrow? You can see here, point P is the passing point. So therefore, we will extend this point P like this and then we will show arrow. So students, here this is your ray. This is your ray PQ. You can read this ray as ray PQ. You can write it as ray PQ, or you can simply write it as PQ and arrowhead over the letter. So students, in this way we have solved this question. The name of this ray is ray PQ, where Q is your end point. Q is your end point and point P is your passing point. Point P is your passing point. So students, I would like to provide you one homework similar to this question. So please complete it at home. Hope you have understood this question very well. So let me provide you one question. So students, here I have given you one question as your homework. Mark 2 points A and B. So students, at first you have to mark 2 points A and B. हजुरहरूलाई दुईवटा पोइन्ट A र B मार्क गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ कपीमा. एन्ड देन यु हेभ टु ड्र अ रे. त्यसपछि हजुरलाई रे बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ जसमा B must be your end point and A must be your passing points. So students, B हजुरको end point हुनुपर्ने हुन्छ भने A चाहिँ passing point हुनुपर्ने हुन्छ. So students, hope you have understood today's class very well. So in the next class we will study second chapter, that is measurement of line segments. So this much for today. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.